Want to know how to write thread in Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to write thread in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app in your screen. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now type the threads you want to share. After writing, tap on the post option at the bottom right corner of your screen. So this is how you can write threads in Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.